Good day everyone. Hello YouTubers. Welcome to Duane's CB channel. Now we got the skip that's gone up apparently. It's Sunday evening here in the UK and I'd just like to show you some extra things that's going on this President George 2. Not modified, just straight 40 80 channels, not 40, 80 channel radio. Let's just go to the mid block and have a listen around. Switch it on. And as you can hear, that USA is booming through tonight. Forecast is going to be rain over here tonight, so I don't know why the skip is up. Well, it's certainly very clear. Certainly very clear. Certainly does the job, doesn't it, eh? Seems to receive very well. I don't think this NRC make any difference. Oh yes it does actually. As you can see, the clarifier is sort of up in at the 12 o'clock position. Let's see if we can find anything else on here. Certainly is busy on here today, isn't it? Certainly is busy. That's the old Super Bowl channel. 27050 megahertz. We're on LSB at the moment. That's where they're mainly used in the United States. Let's get hold of the microphone. It's easy to change the channel. There's not normally much activity on these frequencies. Someone on this one. Should we give a call out? See if anybody can hear me. Oh, the old print makes it easier. "39 Indiana. Do you copy? 26 Charlie Tango 3067 UK. Over." CQ, any stations copy UK. CQ 26 Charlie Tango 3067, call. Two six Charlie Tango 3067. Does anybody call United Kingdom DX? Four zero zero nine. 4009. Do you copy 26? Four zero zero nine. 4009. Do you copy 26? CQ, any stations copy 26 Charlie Tango 3067 calling United Kingdom. CQ, any stations copy 26 Charlie Tango 3067, call for United Kingdom, over. CQ, any stations copy 26 Charlie Tango 3067 United Kingdom, call, standing by. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Does anybody copy? CQ, does anybody copy 26 Charlie Tango 3067, calling, standing by. I had to use the Clay 5 for that. For that channel, I mean. I think the propagation's gone. Oh, how sad. Anyway, well, this is working within reason. Be nice to get someone to say hello to me. People do like to play with their whistling noises. Anyway, on my next video, we're going to do a test, on-air test. Hopefully on the next one on YouTube. Apparently that this radio is not a very good ears, hasn't got much good ears. So we're going to do that recording just for my friend Chris and what's his name? Forgotten his name now. There's so many of them. On channel 34 on UK band. Yes, yes. Anyway, well, I don't think we can. I think we missed the sunspots as they call it. I don't think we're going to get any more enjoyment here. We give her one more call out, and I think we're a little bit unlucky tonight. CQ, CQ, anybody is listening on channel 38 mid-block. CQ, CQ, and standing by. 26 Charlie Tango 3067. Charlie Tango 3667. Copy, copy. Anyway, at least we tried calling. No, my luck. If I switch it off now, someone will be coming through. it's bizarre. Anyway, a few shout outs to say hello to those people on channel 34. Hello to Chris, Kevin. I don't know if it's Kevin. Also, Eddie, Peter, Power. Hello to Scott in Felixstowe, Glenn over there in Felixstowe, and myself, Duane. Yes, Hot Wheels. Yes, so thank you for. Well, this is the most boring. This is the most boring bit I've done on YouTube. Anyway, we're going to test on the. As I said, we're going to test this President George against the Superstar 36900, 339,600. We're going to see if it's got the ears on FM, just to see if it's something wrong with the President George, or is it normal for it not to receive as good. Regarding the noise level, depending on. And thanks so much. And don't forget to do the thumbs up and the like thing, but I'm not that particular worried about that. It's just a troll thing, isn't it? Alright then, take care everyone. Thumbs up, and take care. We do another review on this radio, as I had it for about a week now. And yes, it's a nice little radio. Bit expensive, little bit over the top, but I got there in the end. Cheers for now, take care. This has been CB Radio Channel, Duane CB Radio Channel. Yes, go. Woo!